Hello students. So we will start chapter number 6, types of houses. Question is, identify the following houses of animals. Write the name of the animal that lives in each house. Okay students, so student you have to write the name of the animal. So first house is a Dane, and this house is of lion. Okay, second is a shade, and this house is of cow. Third is a kennel, and this house is of dog. And last is a beehive or honeycomb. So this house is of honeybee. So let's start our chapter. We all need a place to live in. The place we live in is called a house. Okay, so student, we all need a place to live. So live in. So that place is called house. That place is called the place where do we live. So that place is called a house. जो place है वहाँ पे हम रहते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? House. So next is why do we need a house? Student, why do we need a house? So first point is our house protects us from heat and cold. Correct? It gives us shelter from rain and storm. It protects us from thieves. It protects us from animals. So for this we need a house because our house protects us from heat and cold. Then gives shelter from rain and storms. Protects us from thieves and protects us from animals. Okay students, so next is different types of houses. So student, in our surrounding there are having different types of houses. Some people are living in bungalows, some are living in flats, some are living in some are living in huts. So and some people they have a small house and some people they have a big house. Okay, so houses may be big or small depending on the materials used to build them. Houses are of different kinds: huts, flats, bungalows, tents, igloos, caravans, houseboats, and so on. Correct? So houses are made depending on the material used. Correct? So houses are of different type: hut, flats, bungalow, tents, igloos, caravans, houseboats, and so on. So student, look at this in your glossary. Bungalow. Bungalow means what? A large house, sometimes on more than one level. It is called bungalow. Bungalow is a very large house. So student, let's see about the huts. Huts are made of mud and sticks. Huts are made of mud and sticks. The roof made of dry leaves and straw is called thatch. These houses are not very strong. All of you know how is the huts. So huts are made of mud and sticks. And the roof of the huts are made of dry leaves and the straw. So it is called thatch. And the huts are not very strong. Look at this picture. Huts are not very strong because they are built by mud and sticks material. So they are not very strong. Next is most houses such as bungalows and flats are made of bricks, cement, and iron rods. See, bungalow and flats in a building. So this bungalow and flats are made of bricks, cement, and iron rods. The doors and windows of most houses are generally made of wood and glass. And the door and the windows of the bungalow and flats are made up of wood and glass. So these houses are strong and last for a long time. So because of these houses are strong and they are last for a long टाइम. करेक्ट? ज़्यादा बारिश होगी तो ये हट गिर जाएगी, लेकिन बंगलो एंड दिस फ्लैट दे आर नॉट गेट कोलैप्स्ड. करेक्ट? वो गिरते नहीं है, ज़्यादा बारिश होने के बाद भी वो गिरते नहीं है. सो the huts are not as strong. Huts houses are not very strong, but these houses are means bungalow and flats are very strong because the material that are used for these are very strong. Okay, so student, next is tick the correct answer. Bungalows, igloos, huts, flats are made of mud and sticks. So answer is huts are made of mud and sticks. Second is a roof made of dry leaves and straw is called a terrace, thatch, hut, tent. A roof made of dry leaves and straw is called a thatch. Okay, so student, read these all point again and complete your homework. Thank you, students.